Did you know that technologies are about to explode and change the way we understand money? Are you ready to ride the biggest wave of opportunities we'll see in the coming years? Because what's coming in 2025 isn't just any opportunity. It's the chance of a lifetime. Artificial intelligence, blockchain, green energy, you've heard the terms, but what you don't know is they're about to reach a level that only the visionaries are taking advantage of. So the question is, are you going to sit back and watch others multiply their money, or will you be the one to take the biggest share? I'm about to show you how, so get ready, because what you're about to discover could change the way you invest forever. Opportunity 1. Artificial intelligence and automation. Did you know artificial intelligence is already making decisions for you, even when you're not aware of it? From the moment you check your email, search on Google, or order takeout, AI is there, controlling everything you see, buy, and even how you spend your time. But that's nothing compared to what's coming in 2025. The future you imagined is already here, and it's about to explode. Entire industries are transforming at a pace never seen before. From healthcare, where AI is detecting diseases before doctors can, to finance, where machines are learning to manage investment portfolios better than humans. Imagine this. You're sitting at home, drinking coffee, while an algorithm is investing your money in real time, making moves that generate more profit than you could have made on your own. Sounds unbelievable? Well, in a few years, it'll be the norm. Companies like Alphabet, Microsoft, and Nvidia are leading this revolution, investing billions into AI and automation. And here's the secret. These companies aren't just changing the world, they're about to take the market by storm. Can you imagine what it would have been like to invest in Microsoft back in the 90s, when the world didn't yet know what personal computers would become? That's exactly what's happening now with AI. We're at the same tipping point. 2025 will be the year AI stops being just a tool and becomes the engine driving the world's greatest fortunes. Are you ready to get on board? And if you're not, watch out. Because those who stay behind might see these opportunities slip right through their fingers while others watch their portfolios grow at lightning speed. This isn't the future. This is the present. AI is here to stay, and those who invest now, before the rest of the world catches on, will be the big winners. So the question is, are you going to wait, or are you going to take action? Opportunity 2. Blockchain and the metaverse revolution. Can you imagine living in a world where money is no longer physical, where properties aren't tangible, and art isn't hung on walls but in digital galleries? That world is already here, and it's called the metaverse. The metaverse isn't just a video game or a passing trend. It's a parallel reality where millions of people are buying, selling, and interacting like never before. Companies are pouring billions into creating virtual experiences that will be as valuable as those in the real world. And guess what? The technology making all this possible is blockchain. It's not just for cryptocurrencies. Blockchain is the foundation of this new digital universe where every asset, every transaction, is backed by a decentralized network. It's like gold, but digital. It can't be counterfeited, can't be duplicated. And most importantly, it's the future of global transactions. Can you imagine being one of the first to buy land in Manhattan 100 years ago? That's exactly what's happening now in the metaverse. People are already buying digital real estate, investing in assets that could be worth millions in the coming years. And we're not just talking about digital homes, but art, fashion, experiences, and much more. Companies like Meta and Ethereum are leading this revolution. And here's the important fact. We're still in the early stages of this revolution. It's not too late to get on board. In fact, this train has just left the station, and the first-class seats are waiting. But there's an important warning. The metaverse will grow fast, and those who stay behind might watch as opportunities vanish. If you wait too long, prices will skyrocket, and you'll see others make fortunes while you wonder what happened. So let me ask you this. Will you be part of this new universe, or will you watch from the sidelines while others reap the rewards? Opportunity 3. Renewable energy and green tech. Do you want to make money while saving the planet? Because the next big revolution is green. And we're not talking about small advances We're talking about a total transformation that will change how the world generates and consumes energy. Climate change is no longer just an environmental issue. It's one of the greatest financial opportunities of our time. Governments around the world are investing in clean energy, and the companies leading this sector are on the verge of massive growth. Can you imagine a world where electric cars are the norm, homes are powered by solar energy, and fossil fuels are relics of the past? That future is much closer than you think. And 2025 will be a critical year in this transition. Tesla, First Solar, and a wave of new startups are revolutionizing the way we generate and use energy. These companies are creating sustainable solutions that not only help the planet, but create fortunes for those who invest in them today. The money isn't green. Renewable energy isn't just a trend. It's the future. And those who invest now, before this revolution reaches its peak, will be in an enviable position. But once again, timing is everything. If you wait until renewables become the standard, you'll have missed the chance to earn the biggest rewards. Those who invest early will see returns they never imagined. So let me be clear. If you want to make money and contribute to the planet's future, now is the time. Opportunity 4. Digital health and biotechnology. Can you imagine a future where hospitals are no longer necessary? Where you can diagnose a disease from the comfort of your home or receive personalized treatments made just for you? That future is much closer than you think. Technology is transforming health like never before. Telemedicine, wearable devices, and precision biotechnology are already revolutionizing how we take care of ourselves, and by 2025, all of this will be part of everyday life. But here's the important part. It won't just change your life, it can change your bank account. Did you know the devices you wear, like smartwatches, are monitoring your health in real time? Imagine a bracelet that doesn't just tell you how many steps you've taken, but detects a disease before symptoms even appear. That's where we're headed. And those who invest in this technology now could be the big winners in the health sector in the coming years. But that's not all. Biotechnology is taking medicine a step further, with advances that could cure diseases once thought untreatable. From gene editing to personalized treatments based on your own DNA, biotechnology is paving the way for a new era in health. And here's the opportunity. Investors who get in now will be front and center to take advantage of an unprecedented revolution. The growth potential in this sector is enormous. But, like the other opportunities, timing is crucial. Digital health and biotechnology aren't just scientific advances. They're gold mines waiting to be discovered by smart investors. And here's the simple question. Are you going to be one of the ones who benefit from this technological boom, or will you wait until it's too late? And there you have it. For explosive opportunities that are about to redefine the market for 2025. The question is, what are you going to do? If you want to be at the forefront of the next big financial revolution, it's time to make decisions. Opportunities don't wait. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications, because we'll keep uncovering where the best investments of the future are. This is just the beginning, and you can be a part of it. See you in the next video.